Welcome to Candid Conversations with Kip and Kasandra, where we're going to talk about sex, health, and money. This is part of an emotional intelligence workshop that we have put together for you.
And our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and practical tools in each one of these areas to really help you understand your emotional responses to them.
Unfortunately, for far too many of us as women, we believe lies about who we are. And this is why we have put this series of workshops together so we can talk through the research and the data and help us understand how we can improve in these areas and what we need for ourselves. While each workshop is standalone, we hope that you can participate in all three.
And quick disclaimer, given the topics of money, sex, and health, we are going to be respectful, but we are going to be real, we're going to be honest, so this is for a mature audience. We're going to share from our own stories, and then we ask that you come prepared to engage and talk about your own story so that you can in turn prosper.
Yes, so we look forward to seeing you at these Candid Conversations with Kip and Kasandra. The first one is April 26th, so sign up.